Good day, everyone. This is Jeff with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, and today I've got the pleasure of taking you through our brand new 2024 Sea Ray 320 done in quantum blue. And guys, we just got this one done. It's still got the canvas on it. Just sitting up on the jack stands here. Couldn't wait to show you. It's absolutely stunning on the outside. Just a gorgeous blue. Very well done. Another outstanding product here by Sea Ray. Take it to the aft of the boat a little bit here. Show you once again, powered by twin Mercury 350 6.2 liters. And this again is a retractable swim platform right here that drops down into the water. So coming over to the port side aft, we've got battery switches here, easily located, freshwater hookup, and all your shore power hookups. Retractable swim platform. Go ahead and drop down into the water. This is an amazingly large swim platform here. Radio control in the back of the boat, fuel, freshwater hose. Latch here for the swim platform. I've still got the canvas on this, just because we did just get it in, but obviously it opens all the way up and does have full enclosure options as well. Got the lounger set up to go ahead and lounge all the way back. Just look at this sun pad. Absolutely huge. Goes ahead and locks into position that way. So when you're underway, electric grill, sink, refrigerator, trash, moonroof, retractable moonroof, absolutely cool. Forward and aft facing lounger. Axis control, dual throttle sticks, auto trim tabs, auto stabilizer, dual sim rad screens, Fusion audio equipment, conveniently located buttons here for all the accessories. Come on up to the bow of the boat. Another nice large sun pad here. Windlass stainless steel anchor, controls there. Stereo controls up on the bow as well. Just a ton of space in this boat. Come on down to the cabin. A lot of daylight windows in here. Folds into a lounger. Got two twin beds underneath. Can also fold into a queen. Into the head. Very nicely done. Another quality product by Sea Ray. If you have any questions on this or anything else we have here at MarineMax, 573-365-5382. Again, my name is Jeff, www.marinemax.com.